La plupart des oiseaux, en particulier les hérons, ne demanderont jamais d'aide à moins que cela ne soit absolument nécessaire. Les êtres humains sont des créatures sociales et ont besoin les uns des autres pour survivre. L'esprit d'indépendance du héron et sa capacité à être seul sont admirables pour les êtres humains, mais finalement impossibles.
Sorry, I don't know how this works. Katie?
Yeah, Will?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. I thought you'd be taller or something.
No, this is it. I guess I didn't get any of your genes.
No. Who knew, like, 23andMe would turn up like this?
Yeah.
You don't really think about, like, you're donating because you need, like, money for school and books and stuff, but there's a person on the other end of that, right?
I'm your daughter.
I still try to figure out how my sperm got to Seattle because I don't fly. I mean, you could drive to Seattle, but sorry, I'm all new at this.
Yeah, me too. I've never had a dad.
I've never had a kid.
Can't say that anymore.
Right. You want to, like, go for a walk or something?
Yeah. You're from here, or?
Yeah, I'm from here.
Yeah.
I'm pretty much alone here.
Just you?
Yeah, it's just me.
Yeah. Do you travel?
No.
No.
I don't fly. I'm kind of afraid of it.
Oh.
Yeah, I got a weird confession. I write cheese mystery novels.
What?
I know. Yeah, it's like mysteries that revolve around cheese. Yeah, I kind of do it online. I have this weird handle. It's Colby Jack 145.
No way.
Yeah. Let's not even. We won't even talk about it. I was just trying to let you know about me.
Will, I love your work. I read your work all the time when I was, like, back in college. The Great Gouda is one of my favorite pieces of literature ever. When Lorraine died, I cried for 2 weeks.
People hated that. I got panned by the trolls because I killed off Lorraine. I'm like, did you see what she did to Douglas?
Exactly! Man, I cannot believe I'm related to Kobe back 145.
Le moineau. Paul Laurence Dunbar a écrit à propos du moineau. Ainsi les oiseaux de paix, d'espoir et d'amour viendront vers la terre. Je vois ce petit être si beau qui nous indique les signes de renouveau. Ils restent avec nous pendant les hivers les plus rigoureux, mais sont là au printemps pour nous rappeler qu'il y a des choses que nous n'avons pas encore vécues.
You ready for this?
Yes. Oh man.
Pedal.
Oh man. I'm doing it.
Pedal.
Yeah.
You're so good at this.
Thanks. My mom's and I played softball. My favorite color is yellow.
I hate flossing.
Keep pedaling, keep going. How tall are you?
6'3". How about you?
5'2". Yes! We're doing it.
It's like chow chow. It is. It's very similar.
Une perdrix grise est une trouvaille rare ici. On voit des perdrix partout dans le monde, mais ici, on ne les voit jamais. Presque on voit des disparitions. Est-ce qu'ils le savent? Est-ce pour cela qu'ils se sacrifieront pour les enfants?
This is actually such a fun day.
It was great.
Yeah. I got this for you.
You got me a gift?
Yeah. Because you're the world's greatest sperm donor.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess so.
I thought it'd be weird if I called you Dad.
Oh, don't do that.
Yeah, no.
We're not.
We're not there.
We're not there. But maybe we can get together next weekend. And do this again, or do it like dinner or something.
I would love that, but I'm actually moving next week to Paris.
Oh,
But
that's great. That's great for you. Like, that's amazing. That's gonna be a great experience. Maybe I can like video call you
Yes.
or something. Or
yes, absolutely. I would love that, actually. Yes. Or maybe you could come and visit, maybe for like a week or something.
you can count on me.